Banks are offering hundreds of dollars just for you to open up a checking account or a savings account with them through what's called a bank account bonus. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to earn hundreds of dollars of free money through the banks through bank account bonuses. But first, I'm David, and if you want to grow your wallet, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, coming out with videos just like this to teach you how to make money and invest. The best resource for bank account bonuses is Doctor of Credit. So if you go to drofcredit.com/bank account bonuses, or if you just click the link down in the description below, it'll take you to this page, which is the best resource on the internet for all of the bank account bonuses. So if we look here, I'll go over these numbers, like a $300 checking bonus for Chase, $400 with Wells Fargo, $200 to $300 with PNC, and some of them, as you can see, with Capital One go up to $500 or $750 for a business account bonus. So first, let me give you a real life example and I'll explain this process of how it works. So let's go with this first one up here, a Chase account bonus, right? So we're gonna click that. It's gonna take us to the bottom of the page. It's gonna give us a little summary of how you would get the $300. And you could read the full post where Doctor of Credit gives more information on this. It lets you know that there's a soft pull. So with almost all of these bank accounts, it does not require good credit. It doesn't matter your credit score, you're still eligible, and it's doing a soft pull, which means it does not affect your credit score to open up any of these bank accounts. This Chase account doesn't allow credit card funding, although some bank accounts do. If you have a credit card and you wanted to earn cash back or miles or hotel points, then you could use a credit card to fund some of these accounts. Not with this Chase one though. And a direct deposit with no minimum is required. Now, if you don't have a job with a direct deposit, there is a way around the term direct deposit, which I'll get into later as well. So first, let's click direct link here. That's how you get to the actual link. And this is where it'll take you. So you could actually get up to $600 if you open up a savings account as well. So you could start the process by opening an account, but first let's go over the details and I'll explain more of how this works. So Chase wants your business. They're offering you several $100s just for you to open an account with them. And there are minimal requirements and there's really no catch to this. So let's go through this. Basically, for the checking account, they just want you to open the account and set up direct deposit. I'll go more into the detail of direct deposit. For the savings, they want you to open up a savings and deposit $15,000 or more within 20 business days. Now, not everyone has $15,000, so we'll just stick with this one, the low-hanging fruit of $300. So now when it comes to direct deposit, if you don't have a job that offers you direct deposit option, there's another way around this. So if we just click here where it says direct deposit with no minimum required, it'll take us to this page here. And these are all the information you need to know in terms of direct deposit. P2P, which is peer-to-peer, kind of like Venmo, Cash App, all those type of apps where you could pay each other, PayPal, that used to work for Chase. You can't do that anymore. But here are all the different ways that you could qualify for direct deposit. So the ones I like are the investment apps because they're very easy to do. And since Chase doesn't require a minimum for direct deposit, it could be as little as $1 or $2. So I'll point out a few here that I like. First Trade, which is an investment app. By the way, in the link down in the description below, I have a spreadsheet that has all these investment apps that you could, after signing up, you get free stocks or free money. So First Trade is one of those, as well as M1 Finance. So let's just say you sign up for one of these apps, you get free stock or free money. Then if you deposit from one of these accounts into your Chase checking account, that qualifies as a direct deposit and then qualifies you for that $300 checking bonus. SoFi is another one that I think is good. All the different ways that you could actually deposit from these accounts into your checking account with Chase to qualify as a direct deposit. Now, this is just one example of a checking account bonus, but I want to show you this list here. So there's also saving account bonuses here, and then business account bonuses that goes by state. And then if we look, depending on which state you're in, There's actually a lot of options this way too with smaller banks. So depending on which state you are, you could look to see which is your state, and then you could click through and see what the best checking account bonus is for you. So let me know in the comments, have you ever done a bank account bonus before? If you have, if you don't mind sharing, how much money did you get from certain banks? I think it'll help other people who are kind of cautious about this or skeptical to understand that there is actual free money to be earned from this. Now I just want to answer a couple of common questions. You're allowed to do multiple bank bonuses. It's not like opening up a credit card where you're only allowed a certain amount of credit cards. With bank bonuses, you could pretty much do as many as you want. The banks don't care if you sign up for other bank accounts. There's no limit to how many checking accounts or savings accounts. Just be wary. Some of these do hard pulls and they pull your credit. So if you are credit sensitive, then be careful. You don't want to do too many of those. I just go for the soft pull ones. Also, one of the reasons why people don't do this is because some of them require high minimum deposits, like you saw the Chase savings account, $15,000, although some of them could be as low as $100, $200, or as you saw with the Chase checking account, just no minimum, just $1 or $2 in direct deposit. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.